Let me guess. You logged into WordPress, you saw the word theme, and you thought, do I need this? Did it break something? Is this why my site looks weird? If you search, what is a WordPress theme, or do I need to change my WordPress theme, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'm going to make this simple. You'll understand exactly what a theme does and what it doesn't do, and how I decide if a client should keep theirs or replace it. And here's a quick heads up. I put a simple WordPress setup checklist in the pinned comment. It shows how themes, plugins, and hosting all connect. Stay with me because once this clicks, WordPress gets a lot less confusing. Hi, I'm Rob McDonald, and I help small business owners like you be successful with their WordPress websites. This video is for you if you built your own WordPress site, you paid someone and now you're scared to touch it, you bought a theme and you don't know what it actually does. You don't need to be a developer to understand this. Here's how I explain it to every client. WordPress is the engine of your website. Your theme controls how your website looks. That's it. It controls your layout, your colors, your fonts, your spacing, your page structure. It doesn't write your content. It doesn't store your blog post. It doesn't replace your hosting. It doesn't add features like bookings or forms. I compare it to a house. WordPress is the structure. The theme is the paint, floors, cabinets, and style. Same house, different look. When I log into a client site, here's what I know the theme controls. The header, that's your logo and menu. The footer, that's the links at the bottom. Your blog layout, your page layout, your fonts and spacing, your brand colors, and how everything looks on mobile. If we switch the theme, the words stay, the images stay, the design changes. That surprises a lot of people. This is where most business owners get confused. Theme means how your site looks. Plugin means what your site does. You have a booking calendar, plugin. You want a contact form, plugin. Online store, plugin. But if you want colors and layout, that's your theme. If you remove a plugin, the function disappears. If you change a theme, the design changes. Two completely different jobs. People always ask me, do I need a paid theme? Here's my honest answer. Free themes are simple. They have basic design options. They work for many small businesses. Paid themes usually give you more layout control, more customization, support from the developer, and ongoing updates. But expensive doesn't mean better. I care more about speed, clean code, and regular updates than a flashy demo design. Here's what I see all the time. Someone chooses a theme because the demo looks amazing, but demo sites use perfect photos and custom design work. After they choose a theme, they install multiple themes to test them. Then the site slows down. Or they use a heavy theme with features they never use. That's when WordPress starts to feel stressful, and it doesn't have to be. One of my clients came to me because she thought she needed an entire website redesign. Her site felt slow, it looked messy, she wanted something clean and modern. The problem wasn't her content, it was a bloated theme running too many built-in features. We switched to a lightweight theme, we cleaned up unused settings, we kept her content the same. Her site loaded faster. It looked cleaner. Sometimes you don't need a rebuild. You just need the right foundation. Here's how I decide if someone needs a new theme. You might need one if your site looks outdated, if it's not mobile friendly, if it hasn't been updated in years, if you can't adjust the simple layout areas. But you probably don't need one if the design is fine, if your hosting is slow, or if you just need small layout changes. I always check simple fixes first. So what is a WordPress theme? It controls how your website looks, not what it does, not where it's hosted, not your content, just the design. If this helped, comment below and tell me what theme you're using. Are you thinking about switching? What feels confusing right now? Subscribe for simple WordPress help made for small business owners. And check the pinned comment for that checklist. It'll help you see how everything connects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.